Hey guys, it's Dark RPG, and I'm back at this game, and after I did some grinding, I went to this place and did the mini game here to get a life extension. And it's very hard, and I didn't want to get it on camera to show you how to beat it, because it really does take a degree of skill, and I actually had to cheat a little and change the button mapping so that the head button was on the R button, because it was much easier for me to go from, instead of going from sliding my thumb from B to A, I could just press the R button. So I got that done, and I was almost panicking that I could not get the best ending, or the bad ending of the game by going to the final dungeon, which, if you ended it earlier before we went to all those title area places in the ice place, you'd fight the final boss, but you'd be at a great disadvantage, so it actually is kind of harder. And it's still going to be, since I don't have the armor talisman. But I'm going to take him on and get through the level. And some subsequent videos where I do the final battles of I probably will go through the level again in the next video, just to show you the next area that I have to go to collect everything before we move on to the final battle. And maybe I'll just end it there and then cut to the next video where I just start from the final battle again. But yeah, here we go. Gotta watch out for these arrow guys. I'm pretty sure we can't fight them. You can see I got the Dragonfire. Oh, I guess I can. Probably should switch to the health power-up item. Because I'm taking quite a bit of beating here. I wonder... Oh, the Dragonfire is a lot faster. I might have to use some of my items. Or I could fight another Hippogriff and get a life extension out of it. Or just a life power up. I figure that's probably better. You can see they're tougher, but they're... that was stupid of me. I have to retry the level now. Yay. I could probably just ignore these guys. I'll do that fight again. Hold on a minute. I'll save before I get there. I'll take less hits this time. I'm thinking Gargoyle works out better. It seems to be easier to take out flying enemies with it. stupid. That took 4 hits. Oh my gosh. I should take these guys out. Of course, you're giving me money when I don't need it. New snapshot, maybe? Of course, it's all the way down there. That's fine. Yep, he does go down a lot easier with this. And time to move on. Probably should just fly all the way up here. Ignore the ghosts. Oh yes, and there's something up here. A life extension. Which I desperately need after flying up that flight of stairs. There is a special item here, but I don't know where it is, and it's not important that I get it now. It might actually be down there. Or not. This might just be a healing thing. Yep. I think I'm doing fine. I think there's a couple more healing items around here. I don't suppose I could grind off these guys. Hold on, I'm looking it up right now. Yeah, I missed it, but at this point in the game, it's probably not worth it, unless I want to replay the entire level again. Another mini-boss. Now we're familiar with this one, I think. This is Gargoyle. Yep. We can't use the exact same strategy as before, so we have to just beat him quickly. Finally, just before he kills me. We better drop a health power up. There we go. I wonder if there's something up there. Nope. We're at the final area of the game. It's gonna be a lot harder since I don't have the Fang Talisman. Might not make it. Huh. Maybe. 1,000 years ago, huh? If I end up not getting the bad ending for whatever reason, I'll do it in a later episode. So here we want to fly up. quickly switch to this. And the first form of him goes down. Thought you might have the power to defeat General Arma, but you do not nearly have enough power to defeat me, the great Phalanx. That could be Phalanx, but it's spelled differently. The crest of heaven. Oh shoots. He's gonna use it. Now feel the wrath of heaven. Uh-oh. We better switch to the title gargoyle. There's only 2 forms to this boss, so I wonder if the spell works at all. It seemed to have worked, so let's keep damaging with it. Need to heal. Sorry if my phone's going off. Twitter messages. How much hit points does this guy have? Alright, I think he's switching to this next phase. Yeah, you want to dash when that happens. And he's down. My power is fading, but you shall not have the satisfaction of killing me. This isn't the bad ending. This is the incomplete ending. So, the strategy guide lied to me. I'll have to go back and show you. There is an easy way to do it, but I'm probably gonna... I don't know if I can cheat unless I add a previous cheat file. Because this emulator does it weird. It doesn't let you do it from the emulator. But it involves putting in a code that does... It's called boss mode. And you can put it in and then you can fight the final boss almost immediately after playing the first level. I think you can still collect stuff, but you technically can't get any of the Crest, so it fulfills the conditions of the game as long as you don't collect too many items. The weird thing about this game is that there are no credits. Facing certain death at the hands of Firebrand. Phalanx sealed himself into the crest of heaven. Forever. Avenged, Firebrand hid all of the Crest. Maybe one day someone will find the Crest. Yeah, I think I'll just show you the bad ending after showing you the true ending. Because it's kind of cool looking. Again, and prove themselves worthy. To meet him in battle. So yeah, I'm just gonna record the next episode, collect all the stuff, and it's probably gonna be a very short episode, but yeah, it's probably not gonna be a short episode. The next episode's probably gonna be a really short one. It's just gonna be me showing you the other level of the other half of the level, the ice level, and collecting items. And then I'll move on to the final boss fight again, and then show you the true ending to the game. Well, not the true ending, but the best ending before the true ending, which has a super boss that you have to beat. Oh no! He's snickering. And it's gonna do a roll call now. After the end screen sits here for a while. You're not supposed to hit start, I think. I think I'll just cut the credits out of the next ending because there's nothing after this. Actually, no, I take that back. There actually is. So, here's the roll call. Samulo, which may or may not be the demon dragon who's a zombie now. Hippogriff. Nunu. Ah. in the tags for this, I put an extra U in there, which didn't need to be there. Belth. Flame Lord. So yeah, growing's not that hard if you use the air gargoyle, but not gargoyle, but legendary gargoyle, because it'll go down a lot quicker. Skula. But I didn't want to do that for the purposes of this ending, which I ended up failing anyways, but... So just remember, you have to go there before going to the ice level. To the final level. Otherwise it disappears from the map screen until you beat that level. So there's Flyer. Or maybe it has something to do with beating this guy. I don't know. Just pay attention to the map screen. It's like east of the forest level. And there's Crawler. Hate that bitch. Have to wait for him to open his eyes. And sometimes he'll be stupid and... So that's Growlithe. Sometimes he'll be stupid and he'll not let you open it for a long time or back away so that you can get out of the way before he hurts you. Did they even show Arma? Oh well. There's Phalanx. Presented by Capcom. And that's the time crest, which is what we need to get next time. And defeat Arma for the final time, which is what we'll be doing in the next episode. So I hope you enjoyed. See you next episode. Bye.